reviewers. Now I'm going to unboxing for you. This is Redmi Note 10. This is Redmi Note 10. This is the serial number and everything is here. I brought it in Italy. This is a very nice mobile phone. So I brought it is 290 euros. The market rate like 300 euros. So it's very nice mobile you can use. I'm going to unboxing so you can remember this. The RAM will be 6 giga and this memory will be 128, and if you want you can add extra. So here we go. I'm going to unboxing. This is here. It's Redmi Note 10. So you can see 33W fast charging, 5000 mAh battery, MediaTek Hello 9 OK, 6.43 almond dot 44 wide camera. So that before. Okay, here. So this is the mobile phone here, you see. So we're going to open this one. So there you go. So this is the phone, but this is a little different. You know, this is some upgrading here. It's starting, so you can see this one is today is a 12/8/2022 is the phone. So you can see this mobile phone. You can keep this here. And let's see what happened inside the box. We can check here. Wow, it is the box. So this is the charger. This is the charger head, and this is the cable for you. So Redmi is the one thing, they make the pink color so you can understand this pink is the Redmi, or the orange color. What do you think? It's orange, I think. Orange, not pink. Look inside. So this is the charger. There is no headphone at this moment, they don't give you. So let's check what happened inside the box. Okay, they have the one is the open the mobile phone for the same. This is the box here. Let's check what happening here. Okay, this is the box, analog. This is how you need to use the mobile phone or something. This for the guarantee Redmi. Okay, let's see together what happened here. So this is here. I think too many languages there. It will be English, French, Italian, and too many languages here. So this will look here again is a Redmi Note 10. We keep inside this, and now we take this one. Go. So let's check. This is the mobile. From this mobile, from the right side is everything, and the volume is here, up down, the one switch. So you can press down, it will be volume down. If you press up, the volume up. And this is for the normal press, and the finger will or something else. Okay, so now for the SIM, you can put the SIM on the left side top. Put this one. There you go. So this is the mobile phone is here, and for the SIM you can use the two SIMs and the extra memory card if you want. So I think you don't need to buy the extra memory card because 128 is too much. So if you make the photo or something, so this mobile phone, you know, they have, I'm going to tell you. Okay, let me check everything, because this is Xiaomi Redmi. This is the Xiaomi 10s 6 plus 100 gigabyte. This phone, there will be, you know, the screen will be 6.43 4G lead and the 5G as well. So there will be what else, 64 megapixel. So then the full camera one will be 64 822. So it's in total 64 872 74 76 total. There is a first camera for 64 megapixel. Second one will be for 8 megapixel. It's a full camera. This one is 64. This one is 8, and these two are 22. So its total will be 76 megapixel. And the front camera will be 16 megapixel. So for the front camera is 16 is here, and the back is there. So this is the, you know, is the black color. So this is Redmi 10s for you, so you can buy. So this price is not too much, so you can buy this mobile as well. Now it's 300 euros in Italy, Rome, but by offer, if you buy, go to the Unix or Unieuro or too many shops, you can buy this one like 230, 240 or something. So now for you, I'm going to show you another things. For this mobile, for the protection, they give you the one plastic cover. Okay, I think you can see this plastic cover is this. They give you the one complimentary plastic cover. Okay, this is the complimentary plastic cover, but it's not very strong, and the rubber one. So I think you need to buy from the outside. I show you. I bought something for you. It's here, Redmi 10s. This is the plastic cover for the Redmi 10s. You can see here, and I wrote on the top as well. There are too many, so sometimes it's confusion to use. Here we go. This is okay. So I didn't buy this one. It is the here. You can buy. So this is the red color. You can buy this one. You can use as a protection. See, it's a nice one. And then I show you another thing. So with this mobile phone, there is no AirPods. If you want, you can use this or the Chelly.